What's good, family? For today's video, we will be making a burrito and we will be using tofu. What is tofu? For those that don't know, tofu is a soy-free tofu that is incredible and packed with so many benefits. A lot of us vegans do not eat enough nutrients, so this should do it. As you all already saw, I put some parsley, some cilantro, some red peppers, and I'm gonna blend down, and a little bit of water, some chili garlic, some mayo, add in some Oatly milk, and a splash of some lemon juice, some paprika, and we're gonna mix. Can't forget the nutritional yeast, some Himalayan salt, and then we mix. For our protein, we will be using this soy-free tofu, which is called tofu. It has 17 grams of protein, and it's a great substitution if you are vegan, guys. So we're gonna slice this in the middle and begin to make strips because we're making our chicken burrito. Typically, I will use half of this tofu pack because it is packed with protein, and if you eat too much, it can make you feel overly stuffed. All right, guys? One of my favorite things about tofu is it is so versatile. You could use it on the stove, you could put it in the oven, and you could definitely use it in the air fryer. So I'm gonna add some cornstarch to this tofu, and I'm gonna put it in the air fryer for 10 to 15 minutes so it could harden for it to resemble chicken. Using a cast iron is one of my favorite tools to use in the kitchen. However, you have to always make sure that you oil and season this cast iron because that's where the flavor comes in. So now we sauteed our onions and peppers. We're gonna add our tofu, which is dehydrated and delicious. Alright, family, so for my tofu to be nice and tender off camera, I added some of my sauce to the pan. I made some dirty rice so we could add into this burrito, and I got some black beans. Rice and black beans is not keto friendly, so if you are following a keto diet, you could change the beans for something else and the rice for quinoa. All right, guys, so we're gonna start to make our burrito and just add everything in. I won't lie, guys, this sauce tastes so good. If you don't have any cilantro and peppers to make this sauce, you could also use guacamole. However, if you make this sauce, guys, definitely tell me how it tastes. Tell me how you like it. It's fresh, it's delicious, and it makes you feel like you're having dinner at Chipotle. All right, guys?